The reason why I got into the Mini was a friend of mine, he had an old Mini Mayfair, and he took me to some exhibition on a Mini show somewhere in London. I think it was in somewhere in Southdown, and as soon as he picked me up and started driving off, I just fell in love with the car really, and it's just so much fun being in it and driving around. And the other thing I love about the Mini is the sound they make with the old A series engine, and just they sound really meaty and just sound nice, and it's got a bit of character to it as well. Whereas, say like most modern cars nowadays, a bit quiet, whereas this is a little bit louder, which is really nice. It's British. It's a really good looking car. It's funky. As soon as you see one, you just think, oh, it's a Mini. That's amazing. It's a really cool car, and it's really quirky. And with the one I've got here, I've just so enjoyed driving it all the time. I never get bored of it. 50 years down the line of the Mini, I think it's just got ever so popular now. Ever since, well, I think because the BMW released their Minis, I think more and more people have really got into the car itself, and the mix. You've got a mixture of the modern and the old, and people like a bit of the new and a bit of the old, and I think they're still really cool cars. I mean, all you have to do is just look at it, and you just think, wow, it's such a good looking car, and it's really small as well compared to modern cars nowadays really. I was away for 10 days and I just missed my car really. It's just a Mini thing, you know, when you have a car that you've had for so long and it's something that's your pride and joy, and you just always enjoy and always get used to driving and all that, and then all of a sudden you go away on holiday and you're away for something like 10 days, you just start to miss it really, and especially when you're driving a different vehicle like a 4x4, it's just not the same really. After I bought my Mini, I thought I'd research it of what type of coupe it was, because I don't remember ever seeing a coupe with a sunroof on it. And I went to the Ace Cafe, and they had a mod Mini night. Speaking to a bloke, and he was the head of the RSP club, and he was telling me, "Oh, you got a limited edition Cooper there, mate." They told me it's a Rover Specials product Mini, and they told me they only made 1,000 of these. And I do believe, I think only 800 stayed here, and the rest went off to Japan, I believe. Well, I think it's the only Cooper that has a sunroof on it. It's got a half leather interior and a leather steering wheel with the Cooper badge on it. It was the car that rebought Cooper back and started making it really popular again. I do believe it's like a soulmate really. It's just got that character. It's just the character of it, and it looks after you while you're looking after it while driving it properly and all that really. I think Mini was so far ahead of its time. Just how they managed to get a really small car and actually put in a big engine and a suspension and all electrics and all that. It's just amazing how they've managed to do that really.